Duet Parallel INDX Voron, a project sponsored by Duet 3D, using an early test version of index toolheads provided by Bondtech, first shown at SMRRF 26 in the UK. The electronics shown are existing standard Duet boards, not the new boards being released as part of the Founders Edition. Sequential loading of the two toolheads. Both toolheads start to build their prime towers. Toolhead 1 completes priming and starts printing in the central shared section. Toolhead 2 currently starting its priming, a bit late, as should have completed it in parallel to Toolhead 1 printing. Toolhead 1 now printing its second colour in parallel to Toolhead 2 changing colour. Toolhead 2 starting its priming a bit late again. Both toolheads now printing in parallel in areas of the print bed where the heads will not clash. Sequential tool changes again. Printhead 2 now moving out of the way so that the primary printhead can access the whole bed. Lots of work still to do, particularly on the timing and priming, but basic modes of operation now working.